masasagot ko. Number one, hindi naman sila nag-aaral ng mabuti eh. Sinasabi niya na yung daw final ko, pinablish ko sa newspapers, ay notice lang, wala daw yung order. Eh, kung hindi pa naman kayo tamad, sana nakita nyo na noong May 26 ay nag-republish kami ng order at ng manifestation of intent to participate. It's in the records of COMELEC and we filed it on time. Katamaran yan ninyo eh. Gusto nyo lang talaga, bubuluhin nyo ako. Alam nyo, sa haba ng buhay ko, lahat dinaanan ko na. Mayor na ako at lahat, 27 years old pa lang ako, lahat na ng kahirapan at crisis dinaanan ko na. Mga petition nyo na mga... Wala naman itong petition nyo, basura ito eh, basura. Aside from that, I was already given due course, P3PWD party list was already given due course, kaya pinapublish kami. There is nothing to stop or cancel. The other thing is, COMELEC has the power to move its deadlines. That's already in the landmark case of Kabataan Party List, where the Supreme Court said that if it is for the purpose of ensuring that you do not defeat the right of suffrage of the people, COMELEC can change